Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saokar Navale. My clinic, Deccan Dental Clinic, is located on FC Road in Pune. So today I am going to talk about wraparound retainer. Most commonly asked 3 questions are there. What is wraparound retainer? For how long I should wear this? And third, what are the basic instructions for wraparound retainer? So first I'll talk about what is wraparound retainer. Wraparound retainer is a type of retainer which has an acrylic part and the wire part. Acrylic part will adapt to your soft tissue, wire part will adapt to your hard part of like your teeth. Okay, so this is a wraparound retainer. So for how long you should wear it? Usually at our clinic we advise all the patients who are on wraparound retainer to use this retainer for at least a span of 1 year. Why? Because when we are doing the tooth correction, that time a tooth correction can't be achieved without bone modulation. Bone modulation means to move the certain tooth there is a bone resorption as well as deposition. Suddenly after the completion of treatment, when we remove the appliance, we can't leave it like that. We have to give some device which will help to retain the result up till the part when the bone will get fully mineralized. For that reason only we use wraparound retainer. Third question, what are the common instruction? First instruction, you have to use it 24/7 at least a span of 1 year. Second instruction, while eating food and drinking hot food stuff, you should remove it. While drinking water, you can keep it inside your mouth. Third instruction, after eating any food stuff, you should rinse your mouth thoroughly and then use the retainer. Fourth instruction, if retainer is out of the mouth more than 2-3 hours, try to keep it inside the water so that there won't be any type of warpage or fitting of the retainer will remain same. Fifth instruction, while putting inside retainer inside your mouth, it should be always done with the acrylic part, not with the wire part. Even the lower retainer, don't play with the wire. Once you start playing with the wire, retainer's fitting will hamper. Fifth instruction, that how many follow-ups are required. Like if you are not like frequent user with the retainers, usually you should visit every 2 months to your dentist. And again, if you feel the wire part is loose, then you should visit the dentist. So these are the common instruction. Again, the cleaning part of retainer, with any type of normal brush you can clean the retainer. So that's it guys. So hope you must have got idea about what is wraparound retainer, how long you should use it, and what are the basic instructions. Bye bye, take care. Please like my channel and subscribe it.